Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about new recruitment from Defense Research and Development Organization. Shortly it is called as a DRDO. Is an agency of the Government of India charged with the military's research and development. Here we have openings for BE graduates plus science graduates. In this video we are going to fully see about how to apply for this job and what is the educational qualification and what is the application fee and what is the selection process. So watch till the end to know the full details of this job. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, also click bell icon. Let us discuss discipline wise opening. If you completed electronics and communication engineering, you can see the right side there is a lot of disciplines available. If you have completed any one of the 18 items, then you are eligible. Totally 37 vacancies. Also please note that you should be holding valid gate score in electronics and communication engineering and minimum 80 percentage of mark in a EQ grade. Okay, next mechanical engineering. Mechanical discipline also there is subcategory like mechanical engineering, mechanical automation engineering, mechanical and production engineering. Here you have a 35 openings. You should also be passed in gate and you should be scored 80 percentage mark. Next is a computer science engineering. You can see multiple disciplines, around 11 disciplines. So you have a 31 openings here. For electrical engineering there is a 12 vacancies. You should also be having a valid gate qualification. Paper code is EE and equivalent acceptable subjects are 8. You can refer right side. For material science engineering you are having a 10 vacancies here. You should also be having a valid gate score in your subject. For equivalent subjects are specified in right side, around 5 subjects. For physics candidate totally 8 vacancies and for a chemistry candidate totally 7 vacancies. Both of you should be completed in master degree. It means MSc physics or chemistry, and you can check it out the right side equivalent disciplines. And very important thing is you should also be qualified in gate. You should be having a valid gate score in physics or chemistry. You can check the paper codes. And for a chemical engineers, if you are a chemical engineer, then you should be passed in bachelor degree in chemical engineering or a equivalent considered subject specified in the right side, and you should also be passed in a gate. And for aeronautical engineers, for you there is a 4 openings. You should also be passed in gate and you can check it out the right side specified equivalent subject. And for a mathematics, in case of mathematics, then you should be passed in master degree. It means a MSc mathematics or equivalent subjects like applied mathematics or mathematics and computing. You should also be passed in a gate. And a civil engineers, for a civil engineers equivalent subjects are 7. For you total vacancies are 3. You should also be passed in gate examination. Next is the psychology. For you 10 vacancies. You can check it out right side 14 equivalent disciplines. And one thing is that if you passed in net, then you are eligible for assistant and cadre. And another one thing is if you are planning to appear net exam in next month, you can also apply for this job. And during application, submitting the application, you have to specify this specifically. Upcoming points are very important, so do not skip and watch completely. First is the age limit. Max age limit for unreserved candidates 28 years. If you are OBC candidate, then max age limit is 31. In case of SC ST, then 33 years. And there is some relaxation available as per the government rules and laws. So upper age limit 5 years relaxable for the central government servicing employees. Also some relaxation available for ex-serviceman, and up to 10 years relaxable for a PWD candidate, and only for the following disciplines. One is a civil engineering, mathematics, chemistry, physics, material science engineering and computer science engineering. To apply this job, you need to access the following website: https://rac.gov.in. I have given this detail in bottom of the video under description section. Before applying, watch the following sections to know fully, then you can apply. For application fee, you need to pay 100 rupees if you are a general category, EWS and OBC male candidate. If you are a female candidate, then there is no fee for you. Also for SC, ST and PWD candidate, there is no fee. Let us see the selection process. If you are going to apply for a scientist B, then you should be having a valid GATE score and based on your personal interview. If you are applying for a scientist B, then you should be also having a valid GATE score and personal interview. And if you are applying for a scientist B under a psychology category, then it will be considered as aggregative percentage of marks in NET and personal interview. There is some contact details. I have given the same in video description. If you have any queries, you can directly call to the number, that is a DRDO number. You can call and get the required details. Also there is some email ID, you can write and contact them. Thanks for watching the video and all the best to get the job. If you have any queries, comment here.